Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The National Commercial Bank NCB Financial Group has released its financial results for the financial year ended September 30. As you'll hear in this report, net profit has decreased.
The National Commercial Bank Financial Group, NCBFG, reported consolidated net profit of $15.3 billion for the year ended September 2023. That's $19.8 billion, or a 56% reduction from the prior year. The parent company, NCB, made a profit of $7.6 billion, a reduction of $16.3 billion, or 68% from the prior year.
The lower profitability this year resulted in reductions in some of our key metrics as well. Return on assets, which fell to 0.71% from 1.76% in the prior year, and return on equity, which fell to 4.80% from 15.53% in the prior year.
In addition to that,
during the September quarter, there were changes in leadership and other areas, resulting in non-recurring expenses associated with the restructuring activities. Due to the restructuring activities and other factors, our cost-to-income ratio increased from 71.40% in the prior year to 82.54% in the current year.
The interim CEO, Robert Almeida, was however guarded when asked about the separation costs for the former executives.
Were these costs related largely to all the named executives or just Messrs. Hilton and Cohen?
So it would be for all executives. The more significant portion of it would be for the executive directors.
It's estimated that, combined, the former executives, Patrick Hilton and Dennis Cohen, were paid roughly $7 billion. Meanwhile, despite the unfavorable performance for the period under review, the financial institution says there are signs that things will improve.
Our asset base stands at $2.23 trillion, an increase of $147.1 billion, or 7% over the prior year. The group continues to experience growth in our main earning portfolios, driven primarily by increases in net loans and investment securities, which grew by 6% and 15% respectively. Customer deposits grew to $747.9 billion, up 5% or $32.6 billion over the prior year.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 4,376 points today, while the junior market increased by 5 points. Among the winners, Blue Power Group, Pan Jamaica Group, Paramount Trading, VM Investments, and Caribbean Cream. The losers were led by Jetcon, First Rock Real Estate Investments Jamaican Dollar Shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, and Key Insurance Company. The Jamaican dollar gained 22 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Tuesday. It's costing an average $155.95 for $1 US. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.76. $197.17 is the average value for the pound, while the euro is going for $173.73. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.